Good morning, students. Today we are starting with the new exercise 7th B. But before that, let us understand the which topics or the which formula is suitable for this exercise. For example, if there is the increase or decrease in any quantity and we want to find out the new quantity, for that here is the formula. The first thing is, if a number is decreased by x%, the new number will be 100 minus x upon 100 multiplied by the original number. And similarly, if the number is increased by x%, the new number will be 100 plus x upon 100 multiplied by the original number. Okay, so these are the two formulas basically that we are going to use in this. Okay, now we are starting with the exercise 7B. Question number 1 is here. The question is, a man bought certain number of oranges, out of which 13% were found rotten. He gives 75% of the remaining in the charity and still has 522 oranges left. Find how many had he bought. So actually this question we can solve by using the X method, or we can also solve it by using the 100, assuming the total number of the oranges as 100. Okay, so let us solve this question by using the 100. Suppose number of oranges is assumed as 100. Okay, total number of oranges are 100 we have considered. So therefore, number of rotten oranges number of the rotten oranges in the question, what they had given us, out of which 13% were rotten. So find out the 13% of 100. So obviously out of the 100, 13 oranges were rotten. So therefore, remaining oranges will be, out of 100, 13 were rotten, so the remaining oranges are 87. Okay, now what they are saying, out of this 87 oranges, he gave 75% of the remaining in the charity. Okay, so let us find out the number of oranges given in charity. Number of oranges given in charity, it is how much? 75% of the remaining orange. That means 75% of 87. Correct? So let us find out the 75% of 87. Okay, so it becomes 87 and 75, we can reduce it by 100. 25 3s are 25 4s are 25 4s are 100. So it becomes 3 into 87. So 3 multiplied by 87 upon 4, like this we can do. So 3 into 87 is how much? It is 261 upon 4. Means this much of the oranges are given to the charity. Out of 87 oranges, this number of oranges are given in the charity. So net balance of the oranges. So therefore again we will find out the net balance. net balance of oranges from the 87. This is given in the charity, so remaining oranges are like this: 87 minus 261 upon 4. Since their denominators are different, we need to take the LCM for subtraction. So 87 multiplied by 4, it is 348 minus 261 upon 4. So the subtraction gives us 8 minus 1 is 7, 14 minus 6 is 8, and it becomes 2 minus 2, means 87 upon 4 will be the remaining oranges. Okay. Now in our question, if total oranges are 100, then oranges left is how much? 87 by 4. Got it? Therefore, actually we don't know the total number of oranges, so therefore if total oranges are X, then oranges left will be how much? It is given in the question. It is how much? 522. Okay. So oranges left are 522. Now to solve this question, we will take a ratio of the assumption and the ratio of the original. Ratio of the assumption to the ratio of the original. It is also called as unitary methods. Okay. So we can write it in this way: X upon 100 equals to 522 upon 87 by 4. Understood what we have done? X upon 100 equals to 522 upon 87 by 4. Now this will go in the upward direction, so we can also write it in this way. To find out the value of X, it becomes 522 multiplied by 4, and this 100 is in the division, going that side goes for multiplication, upon this 87 is here. Got it what we have done? This 4 which is here in the division, it becomes a reciprocal, so it becomes 4 upon 87. 100 was in the division, going that side goes for multiplication. Got it? So here 87 and 522. So 87 and 522. I think 87 multiplied by 6. 6 sevens are 42. 4 carry. 6 eights are 48. 48 plus 4. 49, 50, 51, 52. Yes, it is 522. So that means we can directly cancel this. 87 ones are 87. 87 6 are 87 6 are 522. So remaining values are, to get the value of X, we can write 6 into 4 into 100. Okay, 6 into 4 into 100. So that means 6 4s are 24. Okay, so therefore we can say that if the value of X is 2400, so we can say that the total number of oranges are, total number of the oranges are 100. Okay, so at the end we will write here in the statement, total number of oranges are 2400. Okay, this is the final answer for us. Okay, now let us solve question number 2. Okay, question number 2 we are starting now. See, what is the question here? 5% people in a town died due to some diseases and 3% of the remaining left the town. If 2,76,450 people are still in the town, find the original number of people in the town. Actually, this is the same question whatever we have learned in the question number 1. Similar type of question is this. Okay. Now, we will try this question by using the X method. You can also solve in the previous way whatever we have learned, but we can also solve it by using the which method? X method. Okay. So let our question is what? Find the original number of people. Let original number of people be X. Okay. Now what they are saying? 5% of people in the town died due to some diseases. So out of X, 5% people are died. So let us find out the number of died people. Number of died people. It is 5% of X. 5% of X. So 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are. So we can take X upon 20. The number of people died are X upon 20. Therefore, remaining people are out of X, X upon 20 were died. So X minus X upon 20. We have to take LCM here. 20x minus X upon 20. So it becomes 19 upon 20x. This much of people are remaining. Okay. After removing the died people. Then out of this, 3% of the remaining left the town. Okay. So let us find out the number of people left the town. Number of people left the town. So it is how much? These are the remaining people, and out of this, how many percent? 3% left the town. So it will be 3 upon 100. 3%. Got it? So 3 into 19 is how much? We can write it as 57 upon 2000 X. These are the number of the people left in the town. Okay. Left the town, I think. Left the town means get away from the town. If 2,76,450 people are still in the town. Now again, what we can say? Out of this 19 upon 20 X people, this much were left the town. Therefore, number of people remain in town will be how much it is? From this remaining people, after died people, these are the remaining people. 19 upon 20 X minus 57 upon 2000 X. Okay. Understood this thing? So the remaining peoples will be, denominators are different, no? So we need to take a LCM here. So with by 2000 and only 20. So that means we should multiply both numerator and denominator by 100 to get 2000. So when we multiply it by 100, it will be like this: 1900x minus 57x upon 2000. Got it? So subtraction of these two values, 2000 remain as it is, x is here, 1900 minus 57, so 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, it becomes 8, 1843 upon 2000x. Okay, now let us find out the number of people in our question. Now what they are saying, 2,76,450 people are still in the town. Now from our question, still how many people are there? 1843 means 1843 upon 2000x. So we can say that these two values are the same values that we have calculated. Means we can say this value and the value which is given in the question, it will be same. Okay, so that means we can equate these two values. So let us equate this, but 2,76,450 people remains in the town. It is given in the question. Therefore, we can equate these two values. We can take this value equal to this value. Okay. So it will be 1843x upon 2000, which is equals to 276,450. These two values are equated. Okay, understood till here? Now to find out the value of x, x will remain here only, and we are going to shift this 2000 in the division, going that side goes for multiply, and also 1843 is in the multiply, going that side goes for division. Okay, now cancellation. Let us see for the cancellation. If it is possible to do cancellation, we can make a cancellation here. Let us find out the division for these two by using a long division method. Here I am doing the rough work here. 276,450 is divided by 1843. This 1843. I think if we multiply by 2, it will become a greater number than this. So we will take one here only. 1843. Okay. Subtraction. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 17 minus 8 is how much? 7 and 2, 9. Okay. 921. 5 will come down. Then here 1843 multiplied by 5. What it is? 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. 5 8s are 1843 multiplied by 5. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. 2 carry. 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. 9 to 1 5. 5s are okay. 9 2 1 5. So this 0 we can write here. That means division of these two is what? 150. So by cancelling these two, we are getting 150. So to get the value of x, 150 multiplied by 2000. So when we make a multiplication of this, 2 into 15 is 30. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 zeros. Okay, so that means actual population of the city, or we can say town, is 3 lakh. Okay, so our question is find the original number of people. Therefore, original number of pupil is 3 lakhs. Got it? Understood everyone? Okay.